Why does your scanner show the P0730 engine code? What does it mean? P0730 is a diagnostic trouble code for incorrect gear ratio. P0730 engine code indicates that there's an incorrect gear ratio in your automatic transmission. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: dirty transmission fluid, faulty shift solenoids, mechanical failure, defective valve body, internal transmission problem, faulty transmission control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Buick Century Custom, Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.